Hey guys, how are you? And I am back with a Walmart haul. So let me show you what I got. And after watching my good friend Val, aka Auntie Cuckoo, I rushed right over to Walmart. Thanks, Val, I love you. And I found some cute stuff. So let's get into it. All right. The first thing I found were these eggs, and they were $1. I really wish they'd put the prices. I think they were $1.97. I'm almost positive. $1.97, and I'm not going to keep them this way. I'm going to alter them. But I wanted the bigger eggs, and I wanted where I could hang them. I won't necessarily use this ribbon, although I'll keep it because you can use it for something else. So I really didn't care too much which color I got because they're not going to look like this at all. You know how much I love my faux foods. So I got these cookie cutters, and I didn't get them necessarily for cookies. I got them more for clay or bread dough that we make. And I'm also going to make, and I'll show you this this year, is the porcelain clay that you make homemade. So got that. Aren't these adorable? And you're not going to see the bundle. Look at that little chick, so cute. But I like it because of these colors here, the purples and the greens, because that's what the front of my house is more. It's the purples and creams and greens. I got a silicone mold of these little bunny butts. Look at that. Those will be adorable on faux cupcakes and on regular cakes. Or you could even make these as little cake candies for your faux. Everything I'm showing you is for faux desserts. It's not for real. Then I found this bunny that looks like the Peeps, the little Peeps. So I got that, and that's also going to be for my faux. Then I found these daisy. I couldn't find the bees, although one of my subscribers did send me the bees. It was Missy, I believe. But I did find the little daisies. I want to get some more of the bee lights though, if I can find them. And I got this, okay, and it says, "Oh, for Peeps' sake." I thought that was so cute. Oh, for Peeps' sake. You know how I always say, "Oh, for corn's sake"? Oh, for Peeps' sake. But this little Peep, it's going to go adorable. What a cute little vignette. Then on to what really made me want to get there was the bee theme. And I am still very, very much into the bee theme. And I will be doing a whole series on that as well. So here's one of the daisy lights. And these were, I think this, man, I hate to even tell you the price, but it was cheap. It was inexpensive. I think it was $2.97, and it lights up. Look at that. So cute. And I got the bee, and she lights up. And that's going to be for my bee theme. Then I found another mold, a silicone mold, and it's tulips and daisies. That will also be used in my faux food as toppers for cupcakes or cakes, whatever. Then they had this little candy dish, and that was $1.97, I believe, and it's a bee. So I got that. And they had this little, and it's just a little hanger, and it says, "Be kind." And here's another one of those candy dishes, daisy. So as you can see, when I decorate with my bees, I will no doubt decorate with the lemon theme, and then I'm going to incorporate the bees and daisies into it, which I think is going to be very pretty. Then I couldn't help but get this, and my house doesn't really go well with the Pioneer Woman as far as colors go, but I did love, because I love the cows, and I do have cows in my little pictures and stuff here and there of cows, but this says, "I'll love you till the cows come home." Isn't that cute? This little hanger, and this was $1.97, I believe, and it says, "A kind word is like a spring day," and look at the bees. So this will go in my kitchen or in my 3-tier. A lot of this will be in the kitchen or the 3-tier, whatever. So that is my Walmart haul. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon.